Hey, what is up people? This is SM back again with another video, and in this video I am going to show you how to make resizable widget in Kivy. Okay guys, let me show the demo. Okay, here is a button. If I move my cursor to the corner, okay guys, you can see the cursor is vanished, and if I drag it, okay guys, we can see the button is resizing. Okay, and from the below we can see the button is resizing. Okay, now I'm going to make this project from scratch. Okay, I'm going to use this flower, okay, from kivy-garden. Okay guys, now back into coding. First of all, I'm going to create a blank Python file. Okay, let's say resizable.py. Okay, and then I'm going to create a kb file. Okay, let's say resizable ui.kb. Okay, now I'm going to split this file to the right. Okay, and then I'm going to write from scratch. First of all, I'm going to import app from kivy.app. Okay, from kivy.app import app. After that, I'm going to import the builder module from kivy.lang. Okay, import, sorry guys, my bad, import builder. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to download this code. Okay, I already downloaded it. In your case, you just simply download this code or clone this repository. Okay, and then go to your download folder and then find the folder. Okay, okay, just simply extract the file. Okay, from here just simply copy the behavior folder and then paste it in your project directory. Okay, mine is here. Okay, I already pasted it here. So remember, you should copy the behavior folder. Okay, and then from behaviors dot resize import then resizable behavior. Okay, and then I'm going to create a class. Okay, before creating the class I must import the button class. Okay, from kivy.ui_x.button import button. Okay, then I'm going to create a class, and this class is going to, okay, let me rename it to resizable widget. Okay, this class is going to inherit from resizable behavior and the button class. Okay, now I'm going to pass in this class. After that I'm going to create the main class. This class is going to inherit from the app class, and then I'm going to add the build method and then return the kb file. Okay, I'm going to load this kb file using this builder module. Okay, the file that I'm going to load is resizable ui.kb. Okay, okay, now I'm going to run this class using this run method. Okay, Now in this resizable widget I'm going to add couple of attribute. Okay, let's say resizable, left, I'm going to set it to true, and then resizable right, I'm going to set it to true, and then resizable up, let me set it to true, and then resizable down. Okay, now this widget can be resized from every corner. Okay, there are lots of other features, you can play around with it. And now I'm going to load this widget in my kb file. Okay, I just simply pasted it here. Then I'm going to set the size. You can set the size, you can also set the size here, but I'm using it here. Okay, it is also inheriting from the button class, so I can add button behavior. Okay, so I'm going to set the size to, let's say, 300 and 300. Okay, then I must done this. Okay, size hint should be none and none. After that I'm going to set the position. Okay, pose hint, it should be at the center of y-axis. Okay, 0.5. Okay, now I'm going to run this file and let's see if it works or not. Okay, let me center it to at the middle. Okay, so for that I must pass the center of x-axis also. Okay, let me resize it. Okay guys, we can see it is resizable. Okay, it is resizable by every corner. Okay, if you want it to be more specified, then just simply change it and the up. Okay, now I'm going to rerun this. Okay, this can be movable by this. Okay, now I think this is enough for today's video. Okay, if you face any kind of problem, then let me know in the comment section, and if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Okay guys, in my next video I'm going to show you how to use another flower of kivy-garden. Keep watching. Goodbye.